Alright, here we go. We're going to do the chamfer tutorial on Autodesk Inventor. So we'll open up a part file, just like I already did. And similar to the last tutorial, we're going to make two different rectangles. So we'll start from a top view. And we'll make one rectangle that's going to have the dimensions of 3 inches by 2 inches with an extrusion depth of 1.5 inch. And it should look like that. Now we're going to build another rectangle on top of that. So I'll put a sketch on it. And we're going to put a rectangle here. Now this rectangle is going to be 2 inches by 1 inch with 1/2 inch on either side so that it's nice and centered. Like that. And we'll go extrude that. And we're going to bring it up 3/4 inch, so 0.75. And we'll say OK. Now we're going to use chamfer. So chamfer is this tool on the top. And unlike fillet, it doesn't round an edge, it chops an edge at an angle. So we'll start with an 1/8 of an inch chamfer, and it allows us to select edges. So I'm going to pick the 4 edges that are around the base of the upper rectangular solid. And we'll just say OK. So there's a chamfer. Now let's go ahead and do another chamfer. This time let's go with do 1/4 inch. And let's pick all 4 sides of the top of this, and we'll hit OK. And now it has been chamfered down. You see that chamfer is a bigger chamfer because it's a 1/4 inch chamfer versus the 1/8 inch chamfer. And let's just for fun, let's do one more. Let's do one with 2 distances. So instead of just being able to specify one distance that's applied to both sides, you can also do it where there's a distance and an angle specified. We can do one with 2 different distances they're not the same distance. So we'll say 1/4 inch on one side, and let's do 3/4 inch on the other. And I'm going to pick the far side. Oh, it picked the entire thing. Is that going to work? Oh no, it didn't. It did. Okay, so it picked this far side, and then let's pick this side. And it's not going to do both. It's only going to do one or the other. That's not a big deal. So we'll just hit OK. And you can see how that cut worked. It cut down 3/4 inch and over 1/4 inch. So let's go ahead and do that one more time. So I'll click this side. And now if we wanted to flip-flop, we could flip-flop where it does 3/4 inch in and only 1/4 inch down. But you see that then starts to interfere with the previous chamfers and may cause an error. So let's not do that. We'll flip-flop it back so that the 3/4 inch cut is the one that goes down, and the 1/4 inch just goes in. And we'll hit apply, and that's it. That's what the final product should look like for the chamfer tutorial.